For this question, you need to outline the role of waves in the transportation of sediments at the coast. This means that your answer must be specific to waves and how they move sediments at the coast. If you talk about longshore drift, you must say that it is the movement of sediment along the beach. Make sure that you can clearly explain longshore drift. Waves strike the coast at an angle and sediments are moved up the coast at an angle with the swash. The backwash returns seawater and sediments perpendicular to the coastline. This results in those sediments being transported along the beach. You could also talk about constructive waves, but again, you must be specific in how they transport sediment. So you could say that constructive waves transport the sediment onto the beach. You would then get another development mark for saying that this is due to them being low energy. You would also get marks for explaining how destructive waves transport sediments away from the beach. But again, you must be specific to how the sediment is being transported. If you have just talked about transportation generally, so you've talked about saltation, traction and solution, if you have not been specific in mentioning that this is how it's transported within the waves, then you will not get marks, as sediments can also be transported through these ways just in general currents in the ocean. Even though this is a 4-mark question, and often these are seen to be the easy questions, you still need to make sure that you are reading the question and making sure that you are actually answering what it has asked you specifically.